Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I am here to perform a dramatic interpretation of a landmark income tax case that went all the way to the Supreme Court of India in 2003. This case is known as Union of India v. Azadi Bachao Andolan. Here, the narrative opens with a conversation between Dave and Paul.
How are you, Dave? I am fine, Paul. Good to see you. Have you heard about the Azadi Bachao Andolan-Case? No, what's that? It's a case that went all the way to the Supreme Court. The Azadi Bachao Andolan challenged the validity of a provision in the Taxation Laws Amendment Act, 1984. What did this provision do? It exempted certain types of income from tax. So what was the problem with that? The Azadi Bachao Andolan argued that this provision violated the fundamental right to equality under Article 14 of the Indian Constitution. How did they make that argument? They said that the provision created two categories of taxpayers, those whose income was exempt and those whose income was not, and this distinction was arbitrary and unreasonable. I see. So what did the Supreme Court say? The Supreme Court agreed with the Azadi Bachao Andolan and struck down the provision. They said that it violated the principle of equality and was therefore unconstitutional. That's interesting. What was the impact of this decision? It had a significant impact on the tax laws in India. The government had to go back and revise its tax policies to ensure that they were in line with the principles of equality and fairness.
In essence, the Union of India v. Azadi Bachao Andolan case was a watershed moment in the evolution of Indian tax legislation. It emphasized the significance of sustaining the values of equity and justice in taxes and influenced how tax policies are developed and executed in the country.